Welcome to Tunis Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Eitada. This is Tunis Shop channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Esperance 0. My brother, how's it?
Shopman is Leonard Baruaga. Mr. Ngobo, remember last time when they were showing this Club World Cup trophy, we were together, and then I told you that remember this coach, the current coach.
He's the one who beat you.
Don't remind me that because he broke my heart that night.
Askis,
Yeah.
But
remember
today at least you are here.
No. I'm just happy because of we won. Remember when I came here, I was supposed to come with my children, and then I said no. This is one of the games that I don't want to go stadium with the kids because I knew the magnitude of the game. But before I can elaborate on other things, I need to just to go to the game. I've learned two things. On a Sundowns team. There's one who's controlling the game, which is Debsa. I've learned this is a good player for South African football. He's just got a problem of he cannot read games. The first half need to minimize your tackles because you knew exactly there's no danger, you got a yellow card. Then you start to scaring anyone. But now the coach must look at it. There's no combination between Mudiba and Suarez. That is killing us. Each and every game, we're losing games because of that. Remember, you can see when Divine Luga comes in.
He started
and then now Suarez was playing. And then I said, thank you, God, because Matthews was on the facing start 11. When they remove him, they put Morena. Remember, we were supposed to be 2-0 down before first half. Then Morena covering Kuliso. I said, no, our God is on our side.
On Mukwana's side,
but now we got this issue now. As South Africans. South Africans, we have a problem also when another team is buying players, they say it's destroying South African football. I can hear them, they say they're doing so way to United. They might do that. Eventually, even today, we've seen that. If we don't buy players, then remember how I was looking at Yanis Sassi. I was looking at who's that on the middleman, the guy man. I like him. Forgot his name. No. I'm talking about
Esperance.
Hey, I'm talking about Beno Ali. Those players, they are very good, very very good. And then remember some of them they took from Europe. South America, they brought them there. If Al Ahly can brought Pesitao from there, then we saying South Africa is destroying football. Then we don't know what we know. Remember, this is our chance as Sundowns to win this current CAF Champions League with the champions because we're playing Esperance. If we go to the semi-final, we're playing Al Ahly. Then we knew that we won that. We qualified to the next Club World Cup.
Exactly.
I was just telling them, look, you can say Sundowns is destroying South African football. Pirates participate each and every season. You can see Pirates, number 2, winning trophies. Then you said you want to compare with other teams. They playing like average. You can see from where Supersport is until where Stellenbosch is. There's no difference.
Exactly. But are you happy about the entire game?
No, the entire game I was happy because I knew it's gonna be a tough game. I knew the 1-0 is gonna be the good result. Even if the supporter behavior, I was the one trying to say, guys, we must not fight. Let's we unite. Let's we leave those. I can see they were fighting and then doing like that. Those people are not from Tunisia. They are here. They're working Maravastat. They're doing our
phones.
You know. Like for me, like also, we working together with them. There's an old man. He's a friend of mine. I also took a picture with him. I said, when this thing start to happen, I went to toilet. When I came back, I see it happening. I phoned him. Lucky enough, he answered the phone. I said, old man, please make sure you run. Then even now you call me, said I arrive home safely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Ngoro.